Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. And welcome back to the next video in the Buy Me a Coffee series. This is actually video number 9 now, and this is a special thank you video to Mr K Spindley, who became the channel's first monthly supporter. Welcome and thank you so much. You also bought me a coffee. Well, kind of. I went out looking for something caffeinated, but decided to try something a bit more refreshing instead, and I brought this. Well, there you go. Prime. This stuff was worth a bucket load years ago. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of pounds. Got to be honest, that always confused me, but I was able to pick this up in the local shop for about £1.50, so that fad has well and truly died. As you can see, bit of a colourful bottle. This one is banana. It is caffeine-free, this one, so I was kind of going more of a hydration, to be honest with you, vibe more than a caffeinated. At this point, I probably had about 6 coffees this day. Don't drink that much coffee, but I appear to be addicted to the stuff. Oh, sorry, strawberry and banana. There you go. Here's me struggling to open the bottle, so we're going to jump cut to... There you go, I've opened it. The power of editing. So yeah, strawberry and banana prime drink. No caffeine in this one. This is purely for hydration. I was looking for something a bit sweet, just to keep me going throughout the day. Although there isn't too much sugar in it, to be fair. It's all sweetness and whatnot. And do you know what? It's not bad. Really enjoyed that, to be honest with you. There are other prime flavours. I will probably go and buy them in the future, to be fair. I quite like them, and I'm more than happy to pay £1 or so for it rather than the hundreds of pounds it was previously. So there you go. Thank you very much, Mr K Spindley, for that. I really appreciate that. And again, thank you for becoming a channel supporter. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, or the information of how to do this is in the video description and in the comments. And that's it, folks. Thank you so much to everyone that's bought me a coffee thus far. Your support means a lot to me. It's nice to keep me caffeinated and hydrated as I'm editing, and I really do appreciate it. And it's nice to know that all kinds of people of different walks of life really do appreciate the work I put out, and I will continue to do so. The next dashcam video will be out on Friday at 4:30 usual time. We're going to keep doing these weekly. I think for the time being, I'm looking at my schedule from between now and the end of the year. That should be more than possible, and there'll be a couple of other bonus videos to come as well. But that's all from me now. Thank you so much again for everyone tuning in. I'll speak to you soon. Cheerio.